We begin this midday with the state of Texas and its continued fight to enforce its immigration law. The Supreme Court blocked enforcement until Biden administration challenges can be heard, and that is happening in federal court. NBC5's Alanna Quillen has been following proceedings and is live now to get us up to date. Alanna?
Good morning. Yeah, a three-judge panel started listening to those oral arguments a couple of hours ago, around 9 o'clock this morning. This is all taking place at the Fifth Circuit Appellate Court in New Orleans. Now, keep in mind, this is the same panel that put SB4 on hold for the last few weeks while this entire case plays out. Now, the law was passed late last year by the state's Republican-controlled legislature, and it gives local and state law enforcement statewide the power to arrest people they suspect of being in the country illegally. It also permits a local judge, regardless of knowledge or training on immigration matters, to order a migrant to return to Mexico no matter their nationality. Now, Mexico has spoken out about that. One judge even wrote this could sour foreign relations. Lawsuits by the Department of Justice and several advocacy groups also allege this could lead to racial profiling for people of color and that it could criminalize immigration, which is a civil matter, through the federal government. But state lawyers say it's necessary amid the record number of unauthorized crossings on the border and that Texas has a right to step in. Either way, immigration attorneys have shared concerns about how probable cause plays out in SB4 and how police can decide who to question.
The last arguments that were being seen and heard from the Fifth Circuit and the United States Supreme Court were actually all due to the stay of placing the law in effect. They didn't actually go into details if SB4 was constitutional or not. They were still reserving those arguments. So now that the stay has indeed stayed in effect, we are now going to see full legal arguments on the validity of SB4.
Now, arguments lasted about 30 minutes on each side. They went into recess around 10 a.m. and have since moved on to other cases. But we don't know when today's panel will issue its ruling. Legal experts say we can expect a final decision from the Fifth Circuit a little sooner than we normally would. But Texas does have the option to ask the full court to let the law go into effect while it waits on that decision. Now, however, an ultimate decision could possibly come from the U.S. Supreme Court, so this fight could drag out even longer. It's something we'll keep an eye on. Reporting live in Dallas, Alanna Quillen, NBC5.
Okay, thanks for getting us up to date, Alanna.